Begin by laying the vinyl wrap smoothly across the panel, ensuring there are no wrinkles or air pockets. Use a squeegee to anchor the vinyl securely. Firm, even strokes help prevent bubbles and ensure strong adhesion. Carefully slice through the overlapping layers with a precision knife, following the seam line for a clean cut. Gently lift and remove the trimmed excess, exposing a clean, seamless splice between the panels. Next, peel away the second layer of excess vinyl. The result is a perfect, flush joint between both pieces. Move down the spliced area again with your squeegee to ensure a flawless and durable finish. Check the seam with your fingers to confirm proper alignment and solid adhesion. Apply